If you have a small shop and you have a portable dust collection system and you're tired of the dust in the air because of these useless bags, stick around. I have a solution. Alright guys, so I got rid of the bag, and although it's worked for me in my shop for the time that I've used it, there are better solutions. I will put some links in the video description below. Stumpy Nubs and others have dissected the dust collection system to the nth level and have done a phenomenal job of putting content out there that a DIYer at home could alter things to make work for their shop. I was about this close in going down that path of creating the base that goes beneath the dust collection system that then goes to a filtration canister filter system. And funny enough, as I was Googling this and trying to find a canister that I could somehow cut and fit into this particular system, I found something very interesting. I found this bad boy. So, doesn't look special at first glance. And if you guys have already seen it before, maybe I'm the dumb one and I didn't find it. But when I saw this, I got very excited and I had to share it with you. The special thing about this one is that it's made to connect to this. There is a few pieces that come with this. This gives you a connection port here to connect a 5-inch hose. So this is a 4-inch. So I went to Lee Valley and picked this up so that I could connect a 5-inch right here and have a 4-inch output that will connect right here. And therefore the system, which I can't pick this up and show you, but basically what it'll be is this will connect like this, and this piece, which if you look on this side, has a smaller hole already. All the videos that I was seeing, people would buy these canister systems and then cut a hole on the top to fit this. But since I found this, I was very excited to share it with you guys. Now on the other side, it is open and it comes with a bag that connects here. Now this is all good, right? Single stage dust collection system with much more airflow, improving the air quality in the shop. But this bag is going to fill up like crazy. And I wanted to implement a 2-stage dust collection system. And at the same time, I did not want to continuously empty out this bag. And I didn't want to ruin this filter. So, once I found the filter, I jumped on Amazon. And I found this. So, not the whole thing, obviously. But I found these PVC pipings that create that circular motion or that cyclone system in a dustbin. Now the size of the dustbin doesn't matter. I have a gigantic one here. I'll show you here in a minute as we're going through here. But it has 4-inch inlets. And I got these clamps to put the pipes on, and so that they don't go anywhere and stay connected. Now, the size of the dustbin does not matter, but what does matter is to try to create a seal in that dustbin, and that dustbin needs to be strong enough to absorb the suction that this system will do. So when I got this dustbin, I added this rubber seal all the way around to ensure that we get a proper seal when we close this. And I tested this, maybe not to the level that I possibly should have, but I feel confident that this system will tremendously increase the airflow in the dust collection system, reduce the sawdust in the air, and give me a cleaner workspace to work in. So that's enough talking. Let's get to work. There's some foam seal that I need to add to the dust collection system, so let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so with this, let's set this aside and let's work with the filter first. So there's I'll leave a link for this in the description. There's a few different gaskets that you get, and there's one that fits around the bottom. There's one that fits around the top. Now this one is a little weird. I'm gonna have to cut this to make fit, but this is where this one goes. There's one that'll fit on this one. There's one that'll fit on this one. So let's get these on. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Dust collection is essential for any woodworking shop, not only for the well-being of your tools, for your projects, and most importantly yourself. I highly recommend that you invest some time and understand dust collection. Like I mentioned in the video, Stumpy Nubs and others have dissected this to the nth level, and I'll make sure to put their link in the video description below. Make sure to check them out. Amazing woodworking channel. For now, I'm breathing a cleaner air, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.